Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're tackling how to make sure your headers print on every page in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets file. Let's say you have a report with headers at the top of each column, and you want these to appear on every printed page. First, make sure your headers are frozen at the top of your sheet. To do this, click on number 1 in first row to select the headers row. Then go to View, select Freeze, and choose one row or more if needed. This keeps your headers visible while you work. Then, go to File and select Print, or press Ctrl+P to open the Print Setup menu. In the Print Setup, scroll down to look for the Headers and Footers section. Here, you'll find an option called Repeat Frozen Rows. Make sure this option is checked. This setting will repeat the headers on every page of your printout, so you don't lose track of your columns. Once you've adjusted this setting, you can preview how your pages will look by clicking on the Print Preview. This ensures your headers are where you need them, making your printed data easier to read and follow. If you enjoyed this tip, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more handy Google Sheets tricks. Thanks for watching.